What's up, everybody? We're gonna make something super easy today. 3 items: avocado, bacon, some cheddar cheese.
Here's our items: 2 avocados, some cheddar cheese, and I don't know, 6 to 8 slices of bacon, depending on how we're gonna do this and the slices of wedges we get. So here we go. So I totally broke some of my avocado, but that's okay, things happen. So go ahead and pit out both of them. Cut them into 4 slices, 4 wedges. So you should have about 8 wedges per avocado. I'm actually gonna do 1 because I'm the only one eating right now, and 2 avocados is just way too much. So now that we've got these all sliced up, I'm gonna start wrapping these in some bacon. So these didn't come out quite perfect. Like I said, I kind of goofed up a little bit on some avocado, as I ended up making 7 of these wedges, and I used 4 slices of bacon. I cut them in half and then just wrap them around. In the meantime, I've preheated my air fryer. I'm going to do 375 for probably about 15 minutes. So these are almost done. I'm still going to let them finish, but since they're basically done, now I'm going to take my shredded cheddar, and to me, I don't care. I'm just going to start sprinkling this cheddar all in here. Try not to clump it. I know I'm making a couple clumps here, but yeah, just take the cheddar. You got to grab it lightly. Grab it too hard, it's going to start sticking together. And then just kind of, just sprinkle them all over. And then we're gonna go ahead and let this cook for another 3 minutes. So I'm gonna make some sauce. What I like to do is 2 tablespoons of some mayonnaise, maybe another tablespoon or 2 of no sugar ketchup, and I use the Cholula Chipotle sauce. But any kind of sauce if you'd like. And you can mix this any way you want. You can do more mayonnaise versus more ketchup, vice versa, more spice, less spice, no spice. That's just all up to you. Sauce is stirred, and it really depends on your preference. If you want more ketchup, put more ketchup. If you want more mayonnaise, put more mayonnaise. If you want more spice, put some more spice. But basically, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. So I got this all done. I have a few minutes left in the air fryer. I went ahead and kind of turned them a little bit just to kind of get a little even cook. So we're gonna check on those in just a second. So we're done. Here we go. We've got, like I said, this is only 1 avocado. I was gonna do 2, but this is way too much for 1 person. So you have 1 avocado, 4 slices of bacon, some cheese. That's it. A little bit of sauce here of mayonnaise, ketchup, and some kind of hot sauce of any kind that you like. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today.
I said, super easy to make. I mean, this just looks like, that's awesome. I'm gonna melt down. So I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, smash that bell for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.